Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video I'm going to be taking a closer look at the Kubi Factor 2 dry glove liners. So these are a dry glove liner, as the name suggests. They're basically a glove that you wear underneath your dry gloves, and this is what's going to keep your hands nice and warm. They're basically the undersuit to your dry gloves. These are very thin, they're nice and flexible, but they are pretty warm. Let's take a closer look. So this is how they arrive in a little cardboard bag, which is quite nice, or paper bag is probably the better way of putting it. Barcode on it, and on the inside you get the gloves themselves, and that's it. So let's take a closer look at the gloves themselves. So the gloves themselves are very nice and thin, so plenty of dexterity. If I put one on, we'll see how quickly it takes to for my hand to get warm. Now, full disclosure, it's summertime right now, so my hand's probably going to get warm quite quick. Once it's on, yeah, plenty of dexterity, nice and flexible, so you can do lots of complicated tasks. It's already starting to get quite warm. It's quite effective material, this, but very smooth on the outside, so donning your dry gloves is going to be pretty easy. The cuff length as well, it's got a pretty long cuff length for a dry glove liner. But you can roll it back if it's going to interfere with your cuff seals. One big panel across the back of your hand, so plenty of stretch there. The thumb is kind of its own little individual thing, and then the palm itself is another section, so you have these 4-part fingers, so plenty of strength, but also a good feel, so when you're doing things in the water, you don't have a stitch kind of running anywhere uncomfortable. On the inside, if I turn it inside out, it's this kind of fleece lining with a bit of loose stitching. So fleece lining, stitch is quite simple, so soft against your skin, and that's it really. But it's very effective at trapping that air and keeping that sort of warmth in your hands, so you can still feel what you're doing, and with very, very minimal bulk. Okay, so that's the Kubi Factor 2 thermal glove liner. Yeah, nice and thin, so you still have plenty of dexterity. Obviously, if you're diving for really, really long periods in cold water or in really cold water, you'll want something extra. But for most kind of day-to-day diving, then yeah, these are a pretty good glove. They do sort of get nice and warm really, really quickly, but also they're pretty thin, so you still have that dexterity. Or if you are diving for longer periods, then double up, wear these over or underneath your existing pair of gloves, so you can sort of wear one, the other, or both together. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. Just click on the link down in the description below to see that. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.